bird with two necks. Once upon a time, there lived a bird near the lake. That bird had two necks, but only one stomach. One day, while wandering around for food, the first head found the delicious and juicy fruit. He enjoyed eating it so much. He told his other head that he was eating the most delicious fruit he had ever eaten in his life. Hearing this, the other head wanted to eat the fruit too. The first head laughed and said that the other head did not need to taste the fruit, since they had only one stomach. The fruit would go to the same stomach. The second head felt bad and kept quiet. He decided to teach the other head a lesson. One day, the second head found a poisonous fruit. He told the first head that since he did not share his fruit with him the previous time, now he would eat this poisonous fruit just to teach him a lesson. The first head was frightened. He pleaded to the second head not to eat the poisonous fruit. If he ate the fruit, then both of them would die, since they had a common stomach. The second head, still very angry with the first head, did not listen and ate it. Poison went through the stomach. Both the necks were in agony. In this manner, the bird with two necks died. The moral: you should learn to share good things with others. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel.